And the Lord did smite them. Every week there's a new reason to be ready. Benadryl, nausea, Benadryl helps. Sleep, Benadryl helps. Allergic reaction, Benadryl helps. Congestion, Benadryl. Short term, Benadryl is the Swiss Army knife of a pharmacist. Strong iodine tincture. Nuclear war, iodine helps. Bad water, 5 drops in a gallon, iodine helps. Cankers, sore throat, salt, half a teaspoon, 5 drops of iodine, swish and spit. Iodine in a nasal spray, 6 drops. Boom! Iodine. Oh, wounds? Iodine. It'll clean out anything. Iodine, unless you're allergic. There's going to be a lot of nasty food in the apocalypse. It's amazing what 2 Pepto can do to help stop GI issues, as long as you're over the age of 8. I really hope it's zombies that take us out, though. The rest of them kind of suck. Pepto. Pepto before meals. Pepto if you have GI upset. Pepto if you have diarrhea. And then ibuprofen. You can take Tylenol too. I just like the ibuprofen. Inflammation, Pain, Fevers, So, Benadryl, iodine, Pepto, ibuprofen, and the end of the world. Bring it on! In all honesty, keep yourself safe. And I hope somehow I can help. So, stay safe, huh?